Hello everybody. We welcome you to our channel. In this video we are going to see about types of forests in this world. Before going into the video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Different types of forests in the world. Forests can be broadly classified into several types based on factors like latitude, climate, and dominant vegetation. The main types include tropical forests, temperate forests, and boreal forests. Tropical forests are located near the equator. These forests experience high temperatures and abundant rainfall, resulting in high biodiversity. They can be further divided into evergreen and deciduous types. Temperate forests are found in mid-latitudes. These forests have distinct seasons and can be further classified as deciduous, broadleaf trees that shed leaves seasonally, or coniferous, evergreen trees with needle-like leaves. Boreal forests are located in high latitudes of the northern hemisphere. These forests experience long, cold winters and short growing seasons. They are dominated by coniferous trees. A rainforest is a dense forest characterized by high rainfall and a closed tree canopy. These ecosystems are incredibly diverse, housing more than half of the world's plant and animal species. Rainforests play a crucial role in regulating the global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Mangrove forests, also known as mangrove swamps or mongols, are unique coastal ecosystems dominated by salt-tolerant trees and shrubs. They thrive in tropical and subtropical latitudes, specifically in the intertidal zones where saltwater and freshwater mix. These forests are characterized by muddy, oxygen-poor bottoms and are essential for coastal protection and biodiversity.